He has been described as the greatest might have been in the history of mathematics. A. Blaise Pascal, B. Euclid, C. Rene Descartes. Answer for number 31, it's A. Blaise Pascal. Next, 32. He is a German mathematician who founded the set theory. A. Gaspard Monge, B. Henry Briggs, C. George Cantor. Answer for number 32 is C. George Cantor. Number 33, he is the father of modern algebraic notation. A. Évariste Galois, B. François Witte, C. Carl Friedrich Gauss. Answer for number 33, it's B. François Witte. Number 34, the first woman mathematician recorded by history. A. Marie Mersenne, B. Hypatia of Alexandria, C. Pythagoras of Samos. Answer for number 34, it's B. Hypatia of Alexandria. Next, number 35, he developed the theory of curved surfaces using methods now known as differential geometry. A. George Cantor, B. Carl Friedrich Gauss, C. Henry Briggs. Answer for number 35, it's letter B. Carl Friedrich Gauss. He's